friends! If you're looking for the best new Oris watches for men based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying link were given in video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 9. Oris Aquis Date Men's 43mm Analog. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, push-button deployment clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 43.5 millimeters. Case thickness, 13 millimeters. Band material, rubber. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 24 millimeters. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, ceramic. Bezel function, unidirectional. Calendar, date. Special features, luminous screw-down crown. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water-resistant depth, 984 feet. Number 8. Oris Aquis Small Second Date Blue Dial 45.5 millimeter Stainless Steel Men's Watch. Luminescent hands and hour markers. Screw-down crown and case back. Stainless steel deployment buckle. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, deployment, clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 45.5 millimeters. Case thickness, 16 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band width, 18 millimeters. Band color, black, blue. Dial color, blue. Calendar, date. Special features, screw-down crown. Small seconds, movement, mechanical, automatic. Water-resistant depth, 50 meters. Number 7. Oris Big Brown Bronze Pointer Date 01-754-7749-3167-07-5-17-66BR. A beautiful watch, exactly as promised. It works perfectly, and I look forward to years of enjoying this fine Swiss timepiece. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 36 millimeters. Case thickness, 12 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, green. Calendar, date. Item weight, 7.05 ounces. Movement, automatic. Water-resistant depth, 50 meters. Number 6. Oris Divers 65 Chronograph 43mm men's watch. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, buckle. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 17 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, black. Bezel material, black DLC with bronze outer ring. Bezel function, unidirectional. Special features, date, chronograph, water resistant, luminous, movement, Swiss, automatic. Water pressure, resistance 10 bar. Water resistance depth 100 meters. Number 5. Oris Divers Mechanical 0173377074337. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Calendar, month. Movement, mechanical. Excellent timepiece. Wow, what a great piece. Worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial. Number 4. Oris Carl Brashear Calibre 401 watch 01-401-7764-3185. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, buckle. Case material, bronze. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, fabric. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, bronze. Special feature, special luxury wooden presentation box. Certificate, limited to 2,000 pieces. Bronze screw-down crown. Movement caliber, 401. Automatic self-wind. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Number 3. Oris the Big Crown Pointer Date Calibre 01-403-7765-07-51911. Polished hands. The hour and minute hands with luminous fill. Bezel fixed. Bracelet strap leather. Case material steel. Case width 38 millimeters. Dial color blue. Gender men's. Movement automatic. Water resistant 50 meters. Movement automatic. Power reserve 120 hours. Number of jewels 24. Case diameter 38 millimeters. Water resistance 5 ATM. Dial blue. Bracelet material calfskin. Bracelet color black. Clasp buckle. Polished and brushed stainless steel case. Number 2. Oris the Holstein Edition 01-403-7776-4083. Case Big Crown Stainless Steel Movement. Automatic winding pointer. Date Small second developed by Oris. Dial gray. Strap bracelet leather. Case 38 millimeter diameter stainless steel. Polished and brushed. Flat bezel, screw down crown and case back. 50-meter water resistance. Dial gray. Indices. Number and hands printed with super luminova. Perpetual date ring with central pointer date hand with red tip. Small seconds at 6 o'clock. Movement. Oris Calibre 403 automatic. Twin barrels for 120-hour power reserve. Highly anti-magnetic. Accuracy rating of -3 to +5 seconds per day. 10-year warranty. Central hours, minutes. Date, small seconds at 6 o'clock. Number 1. Oris the Aquis Pro Date Calibre 01-407-7754-07-426-64 BTEB. Case Aquis 49.5 millimeter titanium black DLC plated. Movement automatic winding. Date developed by Oris. Dial black. Strap bracelet rubber. Case shape round. Case dimensions 49.5 millimeter. Case material titanium. Dial color black. Crystal scratch resistant sapphire. Bezel unidirectional rotating screw in crown. Yes. Water resistance 1000 meters. Case back solid. Band material rubber. Color finish black. Clasp push deployment buckle. Lug width 26 millimeters. Movement automatic.